and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a good day so far. Today what we're going to be learning how to make is abstract flowers. So we're just going to be doing some colorful circles to start, and then we're going to be putting designs into each one of those colors. So all you need today is something to color with and something darker to put on top of it. So either a pen or a marker will do, or if you don't have any of those things, a black crayon or a black color pencil will work as well. So go grab your supplies and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just draw some circles, but I want you to think about your composition. Don't just put them in the center, put them all over, different sizes, some small, some big, and I'm going to stay with some light colors. That way we can really see the black on top that we're going to do with either our pen or a dark colored pencil or marker. And you can mix your colors, think about how you're applying it, but this is our background color. And I'm going to have some that are going off the page. Some that are completely on. Some can be ovals, some can be circles. And I like that my marker was kind of running out of color there. I think that's really pretty. Remember, you can layer your colors. Just because it's the background doesn't mean it has to be boring. And you can decide if you want any to be overlapping each other or if you all want them to be perfectly spaced out. But I'm going to have this one overlap. Once you're happy with how many circles you have and all the colors, maybe I'll go ahead and do this one with the yellow on top. Once you're happy, then we can go ahead and grab whatever supply we're going to be using for our dark details. So I think I'm happy, and now let's grab whatever pen or marker we're going to be using, and we can start to add our stems. Now remember, they don't just have to be thin. You could do thick lines. You could do details inside. Be as creative as you can be. I'm going all the way down to the edge of my paper. Making this one thicker. Remember about cross hatching, where our lines go in both directions. And you can even have letting that one go a little crazy. Then this one, I'm gonna be coming down and it's gonna hit this. So I'm not gonna necessarily see it again. And this one will come out down here. Once you're done with the stems, now we can start to add the details inside the flowers. So this could be anything that you want, any kind of design. It could be dots, it could be circles, it could be raise. And you can decide when it's done, or you could even go back in and add other flowers if you thought it needed more, or you can color in your background, that's up to you, but I think mine looks finished. So I hope you had fun making your kind of like Zentangle flowers, just some beautiful shapes, some beautiful colors, and our nice thick black lines with our interesting designs. I hope you were able to relax while you made this piece of art and really made it your own. I think it came out really interesting. I actually really enjoyed the process of making it. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Write a comment below of what you'd like to see in the future. If you like more of things like this, let me know. And I hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.